I've seen a number of Stack Overflow posts that incorrectly recommend how you can prevent mutating state in React. So let's just go through some simple examples using the node REPL. So here I am, node 10.16, and I'll open up the node REPL. And let's pretend that we have state in a simple object. And in here we will have items. Items will be an array. We'll say there are 2 objects in this array. And the first one will say name is Paul and color is blue. This other one we will say name is Gus and color is green. Now, you don't want to directly mutate state. Instead, in React, you want to call setState and provide the pieces of the state that have changed so that it can properly diff and do a render cycle. So if we pull out state.items into an object called items, this is not creating a copy. A lot of people think this creates a copy, but it does not. If we update the first value of item0.color and we set this equal to yellow, you'll see that it updated the object to yellow, but these are just references. So if we look at the original state, you can see that this color also got updated to yellow from blue. I've also seen other posts on Stack Overflow that say that, oh, what you really need to do is you need to use the spread operator. So if you use the spread operator, this will create a new array, but each of the objects in this array will still be pointing at the original object. So here we have a new array, but each of these objects are just referencing the originals. So here if we type in items1 0.color is equal to black, you can see that items1 is black, items is black, state.items is black, and state is black. All of these are all pointing to the exact same object by reference. What you really need to do is you need to create a new array. So we spread the items into a new array. And then when we are updating the color, items2, index 0, color, let's say this color is equal to red. We don't actually, what we have to do is we have to set this to first spread all of the key value pairs in this object and copy them. And then we can set the underlying value to red. Okay, so now items2, you can see there's Paul, value is red, and if we look at the original state.items, this one is now color is black. The important things to remember are that when creating and updating state, you cannot just point to the items within an object. You cannot just spread over an array of objects. You actually need to both spread over the array of objects as well as spread the individual object itself, and then on the new copy that's generated, set the value that you're interested in. And then you will have a new object that you'd be able to set in your setState call.